The total difference of this station to Mr. James at difference those years, it should be 1 degree 47 minutes and 25 seconds. This is the total difference. Therefore, you have to remind yourself that there is old magnetic variation and the difference you obtained. Therefore, this because it is positively. We have to go to plus, or we have to go to add, so as to obtain the new magnetic variation. Therefore, this is the order: plus a total difference is equal to 1 degree 47 minutes and 25 seconds. Here there is no second, you have to add second here, therefore you have to plus, or you have to add. Therefore here we got 25 seconds plus here we obtain 89 because our minute remain to 60, therefore remaining 27 minutes, and we have to take 1. This is the 32 plus 1, that one which we obtained, or we carried out from this number. We got 33 plus this, we get 34 degrees. This means this second. This will be the new magnetic variation. We add because it's possible, or it's eastern parts. That is the new magnetic variation. Town X. Town X is western of Africa. I think western countries, or West Africa, you know the countries belong to this Western Africa, had a magnetic bearing and a true bearing of 23 minutes 12 seconds, 45 degree 23 minutes and 12 seconds, and 25 degree 34 minutes and 57 seconds respectively by January 1990. This is 1990, but was January mwezi wa kwanza. But this magnetic bearing was this one. Magnetic bearing was 45 degree 23 minutes and 12 seconds. And the true bearing was, or true because it's respectively, this will be for magnetic bearing and this will be for true bearing. Therefore, is 25, 30, 34 and 57 degree. Therefore, it's read by January. If the annual, although you have not yet to be given, is it western or southern, you have to remind first, this was western parts. Okay? If the amount of change, if the amount of change of the election was 15 minutes per annum negatively, okay? This is Western Africa, this is negatively, and the negative we are going to minus. Calculate the following by July 2007. But you have to remind yourself that 1 year, the change of 1 year is equal to 15 minutes or 15 minutes. But calculate the number of 2005, but was in July, mwezi wa 7. Therefore, you have to look ahead. The question is still existing. Negative. Calculate the following by January. We have to calculate the magnetic variation. new true bearing and the new magnetic variation. But you have to remind yourself that magnetic variation we haven't. In order to obtain this one, you have to look for the true bearing and the magnetic bearing first. Thereafter, you have to calculate for magnetic variation. Dear students, here you have to look, or you have to minus here. Here, this is the 6 months. This is 5 and this is 1. Therefore, we have 6 months and then this year and this is the months. Therefore, we have to start to calculate for months, thereafter for years. Therefore, you have to take 1 year. 1 year is changing for 12. 12 means. How about 6? 6 months. Because it's months, you have to change it to years so as to be equal. Therefore, in order to be equal, it should be over 12 years. Therefore, 12 years, year and year should be cancelled. Year and year will be cancelled. Therefore, you have to times here. After times 15 times 6 over 12. This it should be 90. 90 means over 12. Alright, zidisha hapo, gawa. How much? By 7. Alright. Ikiwa 7 hapa inakuja 84. 80. Okay. Okay. You have by 7. By 7 we got 84. Therefore, here we mean 7 mean it remains 60. 6 over 12 times 60. Here by 12 530. 1 5, which will be with 30. Therefore, is equal to 0 degree, 7 minutes, and 30 second. This difference of months, difference in months. Months. Go to years. Years. Now it is 15. 1 year is changed for 15. How about 15 years? Will be how much? Year and the year will be cancelled. And the year, this is means. Therefore, will be 15 times 15 is equal to 225 means. But our means is just remain to 60. Therefore, we have to change into degrees and remain. How much will be remain here? I divide by 60. 225 divided by 60. Remaining will be 3 degrees higher. Ambayo ni 80 is equal to 3 degrees. Ambayo 3 times 60 ambayo inakuwa 180 minus hapa 5. Haya 5. Haya 4. Kwa pamoja hapa. Take 1, repeat 12 minus 8, 40. Inaisha. Kwa hiyo mwisho wa siku inabaki 45 minutes na 00 degree. Kwa hiyo tunawajumlishia hawa. This difference in years. Kwa hiyo tukijumlisha hawa tunapata 30 second. Jumlisha hapo inakuwa 52 minutes alafu na 3. Ukijumlisha hapa 0 plus this one back 3. Kwa hiyo this total difference. Sasa na hii hapa. After to get this total difference, you have to go to the question. The question was in western parts, or was negative, which is minus. Kwa hiyo, in order to, this is the old magnetic bearing, and this is the old true bearing. Therefore, in order to get the new magnetic bearing, you have to take this old magnetic bearing minus this total different. In order to get new true bearing, you have to take this old true bearing minus this total different. Therefore, we have to take old magnetic bearing is equal to 45 degree and 23 12. This is second, this is means into this degree. Because it is western parts, we have to minus 3 degree 52 minute and 30 second minus. Therefore, here we obtain new magnetic bearing is equal to unatoa 12 minus 30, it is impossible. We have to borrow 60 here. Therefore, it will be 72. 72 or 72 minus 30 minus 30 will be 42 remaining 42 here. Ibaki 22. Chukua moja hapa ambayo iwe 60 plus 22. Haya, 60 ambayo inakuwa ni 60 plus 22 inakuwa 82 minus 52 inabaki 30. Hapo ibaki 4 kutoa 3 1, alafu hii 4 degree minute second. Kwa hiyo tumepata new magnetic bearing. How about in true bearing? The old one, old true bearing is equal to 25 34 57 minus the total different, which is the 3 52 and the 30. Here minus 7 2. Here 52 minus 34 will be impossible. Borrow 1 degree means second. Borrow 1 degree, which will be 60. 60 will be plus this 34 will be 94. 94 minus 52 will remain 42. 52 42. Here remaining 4. 4 minus this will be 1, because it is 4 minus 3 1, and this is 2. 21 degree 42 minute and 30 and 27 second. This will be new true bearing. But what will be magnetic variation, which we haven't? Yes. Our question is just ask ourselves to calculate for new true bearing and new magnetic bearing, but and the magnetic variation. Although magnetic variation by then we don't have, or we didn't have. Therefore, after to obtain this true bearing and the magnetic bearing, you have to calculate for magnetic variation. But you have to remind yourself that this is western, magnetic north is western part of true north. Therefore, because it is western parts of true north, therefore we have to, although wherever this is grid north, this is true north, and the magnetic north is just swimming to western parts. Wherever will be western parts, the magnetic bearing will be large. Magnetic bearing itakuwa kubwa, and this will be true bearing. Haya, huyu hapa atakuwa magnetic variation. Kwa hiyo although true bearing we have, true bearing we have, na magnetic and the magnetic bearing we have the new one. In order to obtain magnetic variation, we have to take magnetic, or because it's western parts, and in western parts magnetic bearing is greater. Therefore, we have to take magnetic bearing minus the true bearing so as to obtain this magnetic variation. I mean here, according to our calculation, this is great north and this is true north. But according to this question, is western parts. What is western parts? The magnetic north is western parts of true north. Therefore, because the magnetic north is just swimming from 0 to 360, therefore will be moving from this 0 to western parts. Kwa hiyo itakuwa huko. Haya. Therefore, kwa kuwa iko this magnetic north is western parts. Therefore, magnetic bearing is equal to true bearing plus magnetic variation. Na hii hapa ndo magnetic bearing tunayo. Alafu hapa ni true bearing. Alafu hapa this true bearing, this lot hapa ni true magnetic bearing. Alafu hapa tu ni magnetic variation. Kwa kuwa magnetic bearing tunayo, true bearing tunayo, huyu hapa ndo hatuna. Ili tumpate lazima magnetic variation sasa na magnetic bearing maana the true bearing. Kwa hiyo tunachukua hapa new magnetic bearing ambayo ni 41 degree 30 minti alafu na 42 second minus 21 degree 42 minti alafu na 27 au 27 second. Kwa hiyo tuna minus hapa. Kwa hiyo tukiminus hapa, we are going to look for magnetic variation. Kwa hiyo tunatoa 42 minus 27 inabaki 15 hapa. Haya, 30 kutoa 42, it is impossible to take 1 degree. Inakuwa ni 60. 60 jumlisha 30 ni 90. 90 minus 42 ulimeni 48 minti here. Here is second. Haya, hapa mbaki 40. Okay, 40 minus 21 remaining 19. Baki 19 degree minutes in the second. This will be magnetic variation. Tunakuwa tumemaliza.